Hey guys, welcome back. Small Louisiana Homestead here, and as you can see, I started spraying some neem oil and Dawn dish soap mixture. Um, got tomato worms and army worms and leaf-footed stink bug or bug, whatever, whichever you want to call it. It's actually a stink bug, but starting to pick up, guys, and we are just not even to the end of May yet. So we are getting some 90-degree temperatures, 91, 92 last week. It is Memorial Day weekend. Happy Memorial Day to everyone. I hope you have a safe and fun little weekend out there. Today I'm gonna go ahead and we're gonna go ahead and pull the plug on all the potatoes. I have some store-bought potatoes, 2 little pots of those. I'm gonna show y'all, see what we got out of that, and some Yukon Gold seed potatoes I saved from prior season. And I have another bucket of some other seed potatoes I need to go ahead and pull. Those might be like the last one that I did. Those big black jugs didn't work out too good. Hopefully we ain't got no ants in them, guys. The ants are getting in everything, those fire ants. In my raised beds, I had one little corner that had a few. I went ahead and got rid of those. But man, anything bucket wise on the ground, they're getting in it. And those big black tote things I was planting in, there's no holes at the actual bottom. They're actually about 2 inches up on the side, and they're just crawling up and getting in there, guys. The other potatoes are the purple Viking. Those I never tried before. I did not dig around or nothing. I did not go peek to see what I had. The plants are dying back. Next week we got probably about 3 to 4 days really high chance of rain, so I want to go ahead and get everything pulled. Hopefully nothing's rot yet, but the longer I wait, it may set off the rot. And so hopefully we did pretty good. I didn't plant that many potatoes this year, but maybe next year I'll raise it up a bar, and we'll see. So let's go ahead and get started, guys. Alright, guys, these are the 2 little baskets of the store-bought, grocery store potatoes that they started chitting on me. I've done this before, and never grew nothing real big out of them. Just a couple of little small ones, but I mean, food is food, and it's better than wasting it. I mean, you can always compost it too. So I'll go ahead and roll this out. I'm just going to dump it out. If I can get it out. Ain't gonna be nothing deep in here, but see if we got anything, like I said. A couple little ones on there, which is all I was expecting in the first place. Let's see. There we go. Got a little handful out of that one basket. Like I said, it's better than throwing them away, guys. Don't waste them. Plant them in a little pot. Oh, he's trying to roll away. Okay. And I'm probably gonna just go put this dirt in my composters, because I need a little dirt anyway in them. Helps if you roll the basket around a little bit, loosen up that soil. Let's see. Another little decent one. Alright. Some more little small ones. Like I said, that's to be expected when you do plant potatoes at the grocery store. They actually spray them. Some companies, I'm not sure they all do, they actually spray them to not sprout. And I'm gonna say for nefarious reasons, like, so you can't do this. So that's why they don't really come out that great. They don't want you stealing their seed and planting your own potatoes. They want you to go to the grocery store, of course. But you know, we all do it. We all go to the grocery store, but like I say, the less you can be, you got to be in there, and the healthier lifestyle you'll have, and by growing your own food, guys. So that's it for that. Those two little baskets. Let's move on to the Yukon Gold seed potatoes that I did save myself from last year. Okay, here we are, guys. I don't think I'm gonna be able to get my little baskets out of here. I did have some ants in these too, guys. I mean, the fire ants are bad this year. Well, let's see what we got. We can just pull them up. I haven't shot a root way down there. And there. That's a seed potato right here. That dark one. Yeah, not too great, but like I said. Better than nothing at all. Might have some down in there. Or maybe not. I think I only had a couple seeds in here. That's another one. No little bitty ones. Guess that's it for that. Let's see. Got one nice one on here. Cool. I made a nice one. Yukon Gold. These were just seeds that I saved, guys. This normally would do better in the raised beds, but when I come with brand new seed, most of the time I'm going in, into my beds with them if I got room. It all depends what I'm planting. Like I said, I didn't plant a lot this year. I just did a little bit to use some of the old seed I had, and look at this little snowman. Only new seed that I had this year was those purple Vikings, and we'll head that way and see what we got out of that in this few. Okay, I got this basket, if you can see. You can't see in it, but I got two on it. These roots shot right way down, guys. Or I think, well, actually it shot up. See where I had planted the seed, and then that vine lined up. So I'm kind of digging down a little bit. I don't want to miss nothing. If I do, it'll probably sprout. I think I'm going to keep this dirt maybe in these little pots, let it rest, and plant something else in it, maybe some flowers or something for the rest of the summer. Hopefully it don't get too hot, but I mean it's hot already, so that ain't a very good sign. But That's South Louisiana for you. Had to get it up. That one didn't make nothing unless it broke off. And you gotta watch too in your potatoes, guys. If you have fire ants, they will bite and eat into the potatoes to get the moisture out of them. You would think they wouldn't want that. When it pours down, they come out the ground and build ant piles to get away from the water. But then they dig it in your potatoes, eating through your holes in your potatoes to get the moisture out of them. It don't make sense. Yeah, that's it. It wasn't too great, but hey, like I said, it was better than throwing them away or throwing them in the compost, which it would have benefited you in the compost also later on. So that's it, and those little things. I got one that's green, but this was the biggest one that came out of there. So alright, let's go see what purple Vikings look like. Okay, y'all. Ooh. Let me turn my my water off. Well, as you can see, the plants are pretty much dying back. It's, believe it or not, this is not quite, I think it's about 71 days now. It didn't even go to 90 or to 120. I guess it all depends where you're at in the weather. But basically, when the plants start to die back and start looking like this and start getting yellow and falling over, or you can see this blight setting in, by that time you just go ahead and shut it down, guys. You're gonna get what you get, so pretty much. So let's see what we got. See what these things look like. Oh, those are pretty. Look at that. Look how purple that is. I guess you can see it. The color. Hard for me to see the screen on my camera, guys, and the sun is so bright. They're breaking off in the ground, so we have to dig around. How deep purple that is. Cool looking. I might have a good little mess. And remember, guys, do not wash your potatoes, especially if you're planning on storing them, because rot will set in your storage. Just leave the dirt on them. A couple small ones. Waiting to find a big boy in here somewhere. Those are cool looking. Now, I really don't know how these are going to store, but I guess I'm going to find out. Whew. Cool. That's a nice one, guys. Still a little damp in here. That's why I said I need to get these things out and get them dried up. Pretty. Probably get a little better looking color once I can get them dried off. They seem like just slightly damp, not bad. Things are awesome looking. Kind of small to medium, majority of them. Another nice one. And dig around, make sure I ain't missing nothing. There's one right there I wouldn't have dug and I wouldn't have found. Plant up the way. And this is a new bed, guys, fairly new. All new soil and compost I made. Oh, that's a nice one. Doing pretty good. This is a bigger plant. Let's see, this one might have some nice ones on it. Yes. Full. Not no big bakers, but I wasn't expecting that, especially out of these. I didn't know anything much about them, you know. As long as they made potatoes, hey, I'm good. The flesh is supposed to be kind of like an off-white, I think, cream on the inside. It's just the skin that's purple. These dry up real good. I'm try to store them up. Like I said, this is the last. I got that other little one I did with some potato seed that I had saved, but it probably didn't do good neither. That's if they ain't got ants in that tub like the last one did. So, but it's okay. I wasn't too high on the horse with potatoes this year, so backed off a little bit. Cool, that's a nice one. Another nice one. And they look pretty good, guys. Not one little hole in them, not nothing. So that's a good sign. Real good sign. Means we didn't have all them pill bugs in here and fire ants. Well, guys, it look like that's it for the first half of this bed. And that's what we got. So let me go ahead and do that other half, and I'll bring you back and show y'all exactly what we have. Well, guys, wasn't too great of a overall potato harvest, but like I said, it was to be expected because I didn't plant that much in the first place. This was the second half. Of the purple Viking. This was the first half, a little more. I think I had I think it was 2 or 3 pounds of potato seed for those. So I mean, it yielded pretty good, about, you know, as much as good as to be expected, I guess. And like I said, majority of them are, not majority, but there are some like this. Kind of hard to see the purple with all the dirt on them, but as they dry up and I can kind of dust them off a little bit, I'll post some pictures in the community tab on what they turn out to look like, and then we'll see if these things got any different flavors, like a grape flavored potato or something. That'd be nice, but I doubt that. It probably just tastes like a potato. But anyway, that's it for today, guys. Got lots more coming up, guys, so y'all stay tuned. Some of this get ready to kick into full gear, guys. So the bugs are starting. It's just getting really busy. So other than that, guys, thank you to all my new subscribers out there. Y'all please like the videos, share the videos with your friends and family, guys. It helps my channel get out there, guys. Y'all please share, like, and subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet, guys. You'll subscribe. So I will see y'all later, guys. God bless y'all. Take care. See y'all on the next one. Happy Memorial Day.